Dear parents, today I want to talk about making the most of our days and guiding our kids with intention, especially in those early years. I see different approaches in the families I work with. There are some parents who are highly engaged, teaching their kids every step of the way, and then others who take a more relaxed approach, trusting that knowledge will come naturally over time. But I always encourage parents to be proactive. You are the bridge to learning for your child. Being involved in their education early on has a huge impact on their growth and future success. In the Bible, we see a beautiful example of this in the story of Samuel. His mother, Anna, dedicated him to the Lord and placed him under the care of Eli, the priest, who taught Samuel to recognize God's voice. Eli guided Samuel carefully, and because of that, Samuel became a powerful servant of God. But here's something to remember: Eli also had sons who went astray, and Eli chose not to correct them. We all know how that story turned out. It led to tragic consequences. This is a reminder for us as parents that when our children start going in the wrong direction, it's our role to ring the bell. When we see our children acting out or making poor choices, we need to help them understand what's happening, acknowledge their behavior, and encourage them to change. Letting them do as they please may feel easier in the moment, but it won't set them up for success. Now, I'll be honest, routines don't come naturally to me. I'm a pretty spontaneous person, and I like the flexibility of being able to adapt to the unexpected. Creating routines for myself and my children took some effort, but I realized how important it is. It keeps us on track and helps ensure we're spending our time on things that matter. Maybe you're a morning person, or maybe your energy comes alive later in the day. Whatever your rhythm, it's important to identify those times when you can dedicate to your child's learning and growth. Make it a part of your day. Try writing down 5 small activities you can do with your child each day. For example, during meals, use that time to teach something simple like practicing gratitude or identifying the colors on their plate. And remember, being intentional isn't about being perfect or doing it all. It's about teaching something to your child. In the beginning, it might feel exhausting, but I promise it gets easier. Children learn by watching us. They pick up routines not just from what we say, but from what we do. If you model healthy habits and consistent actions, your child will start following your lead and eventually do these things independently. One of the key points here is that routines become habits, and research says it takes about 40 days to form a habit. Let's make this our challenge. Over the next 40 days, let's commit to build routines that support our children's growth, creating a foundation that will guide them for life. And remember, it's never too late to change. If we've let things slide in the past or missed a chance to correct a behavior, today is a fresh opportunity to start over. We're all on this journey together and we're always learning. Let's do this. Let's be intentional. Let's create routines, and let's make sure our kids are learning by example every day. It's never too late to change. Talk to you soon. Remember, subscribe, share, comment, follow me as well on social media, and ask me any questions. I'm always happy to answer them. Talk to you soon.